Hello, welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I will show you my favorite recipe for rhubarb rolls, and I hope you like it. 4 cups sift flour. I make a little hole in the middle of flour. 3 teaspoons of yeast, dry yeast. Warm milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon to make yeast active. A little bit more. A cup warm milk. Now we have to wait to check the yeast is fresh and active. Now we see the bubbles. Yeast is slowly. We're gonna put 4 egg yolks, vanilla, lemon extract, half a teaspoon, cup of sugar, salt, 1/4 of teaspoon, sour cream, 2 tablespoons. I have to mix everything. Now adding 1 stick of butter, about 4 ounces. I got egg, half a cup flour, a little bit more. Almost ready. I put 1 more cup flour. The dough looks nice. Now I have to cover to keep warm. And in 1 hour I'll start making rhubarb rolls. Rhubarb. Technically, rhubarb is a vegetable, but legally considered a fruit in 1947. New York court declared rhubarb fruit. So, rhubarb is a fruit. Rhubarb is naturally tart, so it will be an excellent addition to my rolls. First step. Just remove the skin. It's very easy. Just remove the tougher part like this, and rhubarb will be ready to cut in small pieces. Looks like this. I cut rhubarb in small pieces. Baking pan. A little bit oil. The dough is beautiful, very easy to work with. I just stick like this. Beautiful and delicious rolls with rhubarb. Rhubarb and crumbs. Excellent dessert. freezer. And later on we can enjoy. Next part, rhubarb. Peel the middle. The next part will be crumbs. Crumbs, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of sugar. Mix all the ingredients. Small crumbs. Small, a little bit bigger. Everybody loves crumbs. A little bit crumbs on each roll. And after I put the crumbs, a little bit sugar for extra crunch. And bake 380 degrees for 20 minutes, 25 to turn gold color. Rhubarb rolls are done. It took me 25 minutes. Smell and looks so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. Please like and subscribe. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego.